guys, I'm in my bathroom because I'm gonna need my sink. I'm gonna try the Byleynore skincare product today. I'm gonna start with the deep cleanse, then follow with the double cleanse, then the lavender toner and the royal rose I will apply upstairs, but I need my sink for this, so let's get started. I don't recommend trying a whole line of new skincare products on your skin all at once, but I'm really impatient and I just want to try it, so I'm gonna do it anyways. So my products came with a little guide so I know how to use them. For the deep cleanse, it says to apply to dry skin that's free of makeup. Well, I don't have makeup on today, so that's good. Massage in for 60 seconds and remove the remains with a cotton pad, and then follow up with a double cleanse. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my hand and just apply that to my skin. I'll massage it in for 60 seconds. So I've been massaging it in for a while now. In texture, it feels pretty similar to other oil cleansers that I've tried before. Glides nicely in the skin, feels good, doesn't really smell like anything particular, which I really like. So far, positive experience. I wiped off the excess of the deep cleanse, and now it's time for the double cleanse. This one says to apply to damp skin, rub it in till it lightly foams, and then wash it off with lukewarm water. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. So now my skin is fully cleansed. It doesn't feel too tight, and I felt like the double cleanse got rid of the last bit of oils really nicely. Doesn't really smell like anything in particular either. So for me that's really positive because I'm kind of sensitive to certain scents, so it's good. Yeah, I really like it so far. I have them right here. It's the lavender toner, and it says to spray the desired amount on your face and leave it to soak in for about 15 seconds, and then follow up with the royal rose. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I just spritzed it on my face and now just kind of patting it in. It smells super soothing because of the lavender. It makes me really excited to go to bed, actually. So if you have trouble going to sleep, this might actually help relax a bit before going to bed. Now I'm finishing up with the royal rose. It says to apply the desired amount to the face and apply in upwards motions. So let's do that. So in the end, this is what we got. Nice glowing face. It feels really soft, smells really good. And so far I'm really positive about these products, but I can't wait to further try them, maybe incorporate some of the products in with my usual routine to see the effects of each single one. And I really hope you enjoyed doing this routine with me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!